Hello, math uh, lovers. Welcome back to our channel. This is Math Jamboree, and today we're diving into the world of algebra to solve systems of equations by graphing. This type of questions usually comes in SAT, so you gotta be prepared. First things first, what is the systems of equations? Simply put a system of equations is a set of two or more equations that you deal with at once. Our goal is to find the solution that satisfies all the equations in the system simultaneously. So let's take a look at this example, the given graph. So we're given two linear graphs. One is leaning toward this way, right, top with this positive slope, and this one is leaning over to the left and it has a negative slope. So based on these, the solution actually for this given graphs is always the intersection point. So when you pay attention to over here, these two lines are intersecting exactly only one point, which is our solution. So over here, when you look at the points, this is corresponding to -1 and this is +2. So we see that the lines intersect at the point -1 excuse me, -1 and 2. This means the solution to the systems of equation is x is -1 and y is +2. In other words, the points -1 and 2 satisfies both equations. Therefore, our right answer for this question would be the choice C. Thank you for watching our channel. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like the videos. So we will create a new playlist for only specific for this topic, for systems of equations. If you would like to practice this topic further, you will have a lot of different type of questions related to SAT, so that you can go ahead and practice. Thanks for watching again, and if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more math tutorials. See you next time. Have a good one. Bye bye.